Well, I used to have a taste for the KFC, where the chicken is raised in a factory. Never had a day where they could see, living in a box with half a beak. I used to like my chicken under lock and key. Used to like my chicken under slavery. Used to want my chicken to live for me. Now I want my chicken to be free. I want a free-range chicken to cluck and crow. A free-range chicken to and fro. I want a free-range chicken, happy to know she's alive. Why did the chicken cross the road? 'Cause the chicken was free to come and go. And if a chicken is free, it'll find its way home most nights. I want a free-range chicken. I want a free-range chicken. I want a free-range chicken tonight. Well, there's a free-range chicken out in the woods. There's a free-range chicken in the neighborhood. A free-range chicken where the prison once stood. A free-range chicken would fly if it could. A free-range chicken never does what it should. If a free-range chicken could thank you, it would. But with the free-range chicken, it just understood. A free-range chicken tastes so good. I want a free-range chicken to cluck and crow. A free-range chicken to and fro. I want a free-range chicken, happy to know she's alive. Why did the chicken cross the road? Don't ask the chicken, 'cause the chicken don't know. A chicken just has to get up and go sometimes. I want a free-range chicken. I want a free-range chicken. I want a free-range chicken tonight. A free-range chicken. I want a free-range chicken. Give me a free